Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily build a business app without any coding in JotForm. So first things first, you may want to head over to jotform.com and from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, hover your mouse on templates, then click on app templates. And from here, you can choose from variety of designs, creative designs that you can use. And in the search bar, we're just going to search for or type in keywords that is related to business. Say, for example, let's type in business, then press enter. So these are the templates that is related to the word business. And in the left section, under the categories section, you can see here company portal apps. So we can click on it and it also has subcategories such as HR portal apps, finance and accounting, sales and marketing, operations and logistics. Now, from a variety of categories and templates, you can now start choosing what will fit best for the business app that you're planning to build. So, say for example, we're going to choose sales and marketing portal apps. We're just going to click this. And say for example, we want this social media marketing app, and all you have to do is click on the use template button. And from here, you can start customizing your business app. In the right panel, you also get a live preview on how the app will look like on mobile phones. Then once done, just head over and switch to publish. And from here, you will have an option to share this with other people. And when we open this in a new tab, this is now how your app will look like on desktop view. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you again on the next one. Bye!